Hello everyone, good afternoon. Dear student, in our last class we have completed our chapter 5, that was frogs everywhere. Now today in this class we are going to do the exercises of that lesson. Now dear student, let us move towards our exercises. First of all, there is information about the author Ruskin Bond, as you have already wrote about Ruskin Bond in the copy, I think. So you just try to collect more information about him and make a note, make a short paragraph on Ruskin Bond. Now, dear student, let us move to our next, that is vocabulary. All these words you should learn the spellings and learn their meaning, and that should be written in your copy. Number 1 is nestling, to be in a sheltered spot, एक व्यवस्थित जगह में होना. Stern, serious or strict, बहुत कठोर. Alzheimer, a neurological disease of progressive mental deterioration. Deterioration. It means that the condition of a mind that is going down. अथवा हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि दिमागी हालत बिगड़ना, बिगड़ते जाना, पतन होना. Now next, impervious, unable to be affected by, किसी प्रकार से असर नहीं होना. Choirs, organized groups of singers, singer का group. Spinster, an unmarried woman, the woman who has not married yet, that is called spinster. Now let us move to another part, that is MCQ. It is very important to do because you will get more information about the chapter. I am a little wary of this welcoming. A, B, C and D. Which one will be the appropriate one? You can choose it and write it. Number 2, Granny was a stern and dash woman. Lovely, loving, rigid, reserved. You have to choose it by yourself and write it. Granny surrounded her house with frogs, marigolds, grass, fountains. अब क्या, किस चीज़ से ग्रैनी अपना घर को सजाते थे अथवा घेर के रखते थे. Now let us move to number 4. Very soon the dash multiplied. Fish, frogs, crabs, all of these. Number 5. Dash left for Lucknow that day. Granny, Gautam, Aunt Marvel, and number D, Srishti. Go to the lesson properly, revise it properly. You can do it easily. I hope so. Now let us move to another part of our chapter. Answer with reference to the context. Context का reference लेकर हम लोगों को ये answer करना है. I hope you have listened it properly. So let us answer the questions. It was painful for a small boy to have to stop at 2. What does 2 refer to? Here 2 refers for mutton koftas. Koftas. या मटन कोफ्ता के लिए रिफर करता है 2. So you have to write the full sentence. Here 2 refers to mutton koftas. Now number B, why it was painful? It was painful because the author loved the mutton koftas very much. Name the author of the story. The author of the story is Ruskin Bond. But you have to write the full sentence. Ruskin Bond नहीं लिखना है, full sentence लिखना है. Let us move to another part. Sorry, I said, I thought you were my grandmother. Who said this line to whom? Yeah, author said this line to Dr. Bist. हम लोग ने पढ़ा है BIST. What was the reason to feel sorry? The reason to feel sorry was that he called Dr. Bister as his granny. Now, see, why did the author say this line? The author said this line because the doctor spoke like his granny. Now, let us see another questions. She left for Lucknow that day, saying she would be safer in a zoo. Who left for Lucknow? Aunt Mabel left for Lucknow. What was the reason? The reason was that she was afraid of the frogs that were circling around the house. ये रीज़न है, मेंढक के कारण वो छोड़ के गया था. Why she would be safer in a zoo? She would be safer in a zoo because it is a place where big and small animals are kept in proper way in a restricted area. Now let us move to another part. This is also very important. This is a question answer and you must be very careful and you have to do this, you have to try this. Let me explain the question. Why did the narrator address the doctor as his grandmother? Narrator या डॉक्टर को grandmother कहकर क्यों बुलाते हैं? Why do you think Dr. Bist thinks the author has Alzheimer? अल्जाइमर यहाँ पे डॉक्टर बिस्टा क्यों सोचता है कि ऑथर को अल्जाइमर हुआ है? How did frogs come into the author's garden? यहाँ पे मेंढक सब ऑथर के गार्डन में कैसे आया? How did the following people try to get rid of the frogs? यहाँ पे दो इंसान दिया गया है, ग्रैनी, द स्टेशन मास्टर. ये लोग फ्रॉग से छुटकारा पाने के लिए क्या किया? Now number 5. Describe the commotion at the railway station. Commotion यहाँ पे होता है स्थिति, कंडीशन, उथल पुथल का कंडीशन. ये रेलवे स्टेशन में कैसा था? You have to write it. Now dear student, be sincere and try to write all these answers in your own words as you have listened the lesson. Now let us move to our last exercise. What could have been Aunt Mabel's reaction when the frogs reached Lucknow Zoo? अब आंट पॉल का रिएक्शन कैसा था जब उसने फिर फ्रॉक्स को लखनऊ जू में मिला? पहले तो वो फ्रॉक्स के कारण भाग के लखनऊ जू में गया था अपना कजिन सुपरिटेंडेंट के पास. फिर यहाँ पे स्टेशन मास्टर ने जब सब मेंढक को पैक करके फिर लखनऊ जू में ही भेज दिया. उस टाइम पे जब आंट मार्वेल और फ्रॉक्स का वहाँ पे इनकाउंटर हुआ तो उस टाइम आंट मार्वेल का रिएक्शन कैसे हुआ, कैसे रिएक्शन किया, यह आपको लिखना है जस्ट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, this much for your writing works. We will be doing other exercises and that is grammar in our next class. Till then, dear student, have a nice time and thank you for listening. Bye.